Hello my beautiful friends, how are you today? It's Linda here from Neutralizing with Love, and I sat with the Anahata Codes just now, and I had my first one for me, a personal reading so to speak, and then I asked for one for you, specifically for you. In this time of knowing that there's such a lot of different stuff happening, of kind of trying to be sure about who you are, and sometimes that not working, however that feels in your life, and then remembering it's fine. It's truly fine. And so I sat in my beautiful space and asked what you guys would like to hear today. And the Anahata Code assisting frequency that I was led to is the 9th house, which is in astrology. And I looked up what the 9th house means, and it represents the search for higher meaning and the lessons that you learn through living. Now let me just say here, you may look up the 9th house in astrology on the Google machine and find something totally different to me, and that's perfect as well. I had a look at a couple, and I'm going to pop them in here for you, but this one really gelled for me. So the search for higher meaning, your spiritual journey, it deals with your philosophy of life, your beliefs, and the things that expand your world. It governs higher learning, philosophy, religion, psychology, dreams, visions, ideals, and travel. Long distance travel even. So that's kind of cool if you want to put that into your messages. And I'd like to go through the activation of the 9th house with you now, and you can choose. You can choose to activate it for yourself. If I haven't said so before, the Anahata Codes are here for your heart library. They're here to expand. They're also here to neutralize if it's something supposedly negative. Mostly they're here to help us find more in that library that we came to Earth with. And this one's a lovely one. I think you will find this profound for you, and I hope you enjoy it. So, get comfortable in your own space. Be gentle. Have some lemon and honey water to ease your throat and get you sitting gently. And know that everything in your bubble is perfect. If you haven't completed an activation through the Anahata Codes before, if you have a small amount of trust, just go with me on this. I'll tell you how to receive, and then it's all yours. I'm not doing anything except reading the numbers and adding my love to the magic, of course. Your heart library is the one that's going to take the dialogue and make it yours. Take the activation and make it yours. Now there's more information about this on the website, and I'll put the website right at the end. There's a click link through to how the Anahata Codes work. So I'll make that available to you in the credits. So breathe deeply. Aim to breathe for the count of 4. And hold at the end of the in-breath and at the end of the out-breath. It's really, really good for you to slow yourself down in this way. Make sure you're hydrated. And place one hand on your heart chakra. And place the other hand palm up. If you're resting in a chair or at a desk, then rest your elbow and place the palm up in receive mode. And be gentle while I share this activation with you. We ask for, align with, and allow this beautiful Anahata Code. With gratitude and love, we activate the assisting frequency of the astrological 9th house. 9101128 496510 00109 9101128 496510 00109 9101128 496510 00109 9101128 496510 00109 9101128 496510 00109 9101128 496510 00109 9101128 496510 00109. And take the hand that was in the air in receive mode and place it over the other hand on your heart chakra. Take a deep in breath, and on the out breath, both intend and say, it is done. It is so. Always sit with this until it feels right in your body. Maybe you'll yawn. Maybe you'll just feel the freedom of it going through. As I said, activations are personal. I'm just a clear conduit and a deliverer. I'm so happy you've joined me here. Just remember, you're unique. Your call in the universe is singular. It's yours, part of the chorus of all of us. You're wonderful, and you're very much loved. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.